car enthusiast? Welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today, we're breaking down the latest details of the 2025 Ford Maverick pickup truck, a small but mighty vehicle that continues to redefine what compact trucks can offer. The 2025 Ford Maverick remains a top contender in the compact pickup market, known for its versatility, efficiency, and attractive pricing. In terms of looks, the Maverick features a rugged yet modern design. It has a bold front grille, angular headlights, and a squared-off body that strikes a balance between utility and urban appeal. The clean lines and distinct wheel arches add to its tough demeanor, while color options and optional packages let buyers customize the truck to their liking. Its compact size makes it ideal for city driving and tight parking spots, but it still offers the practicality expected from a truck. Under the hood, the Maverick gives buyers a choice between two engine options. The standard is a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain delivering 191 horsepower, combined with an impressive fuel economy of around 40 mpg in the city. This makes it a standout option for those looking for a budget-friendly and eco-friendly truck. For those needing more power, there's the optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, pumping out 250 horsepower and offering a towing capacity of up to 4,000 pounds when properly equipped. Both engine options come with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, with the EcoBoost version available in either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configurations. Inside, the Ford Maverick features a spacious and well-thought-out interior, offering comfort and functionality. The cabin comfortably seats 5, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard design is modern and practical, equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There are also plenty of storage solutions throughout, including clever compartments and underseat storage. Higher trims add features like premium audio, heated seats, and more advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. One of the biggest selling points of the Maverick is its affordability. The starting price for the base model remains very competitive, around $23,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly trucks on the market. Fully loaded versions can go up to $35,000 or more, but even these are well priced compared to larger, more expensive pickups. The Maverick's value proposition, combined with its efficient performance and practical features, makes it a top choice for a wide range of drivers. Thanks for watching the Autoverse. If you enjoyed our detailed review of the Ford Maverick, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting automotive insights. See you in the next video.